A teenager's death shook an entire community, and today the man accused of killing Dylan Strawn and driving off stood before a judge.
Yeah, during the defendant's first court appearance, new details emerged about his actions after the crash. And WLWT News 5's Karen Johnson is live downtown with more. Hi, Karen.
Well, Ashley, it has been 2 months since 15-year-old Dylan Strawn was hit by a car while riding his bicycle in Colerain Township. He later died. Well, tonight we now know the name of the driver who police say hit him, 29-year-old Joshua Spence. And today, Spence's attorney said what happened was an accident.
Moving forward with grace. 2 months after Dylan Strawn was hit and killed on Colerain Road while riding his bicycle, his father, Paul, says he wants to keep the focus on his son and create a positive movement forward in Dylan's memory. While the Strawn family wraps themselves in support from the Moeller community, where Dylan was a sophomore, a criminal investigation is playing out in court. 29-year-old Joshua Spence has been charged with leaving the scene of a crash and driving with a suspended license. Defense attorney Clyde Bennett says what happened on a dark stretch of the road was an accident, and Spence has been cooperating.
The last thing I'll say is that he's residentially stable, strong family ties. His father is present.
Investigators say Dylan was hit between 9:30 and 10:30 on the night of October 5th. Then, about 3 hours later, a passerby found him lying on the side of the road. He later died from his injuries. Prosecutors say, according to the investigation, Spence did not know he hit someone, and there's no indication he was driving intoxicated.
He indicated to officers that he thought he had struck a deer and had continued home, and then apparently must have seen the news and realized that he did not strike a deer, and he did come and turn himself in.
During Spence's arraignment, Magistrate Anita Birding noted Spence has no criminal record and appears to be cooperative, but she expressed one concern.
Looks like he was allegedly driving under a suspended license. Shouldn't have been on the road in the first place under those circumstances.
Birding set bond at $10,000. Spence is allowed to post 10%.
And I have been in touch with Dylan's father. There are a few things he has done to keep his son's name and memory alive. He has created a scholarship in Dylan's honor, in his name. Also, Dylan was a volleyball player at Moeller. There will be a volleyball tournament coming up later this month, December 20th, at Grand Sands in Loveland. Reporting live downtown tonight, Karen Johnson, WLWT News 5.